Hi everyone! Today I would like to show you how to pipe zefir ranunculuses, one of the fall favorites and an excellent choice to make any of your edible floral arrangements truly impressive. Watch until the end to learn a little trick we teach our students in class. Ranunculus is a very technical flower. On the tools level, it requires thin piping tips and a well-prepared zefir mixture to ensure a smooth, consistent, and well-defined petals. Our general recommendation for piping a successful ranunculus is to make sure you have a solid foundation with the green center, the patience to build a multitude of petals, and to use two colors for the central and outer petals. Whether you choose contrast or a soft gradient is up to you, as both will look natural. And finally, a little tip we teach in class. For the final couple of layers, pipe your petals in the opposite direction for the rest of the flower. This will help you create an open, natural look and give your ranunculuses a lifelike sense of movement. Find our top recipes for piping gorgeous, intricate flowers, link in bio.